Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza grow a garden. Begin by saving crusts and toppings, then compost them properly to build soil. Turn the pile every week and keep it moist like a wrung-out sponge. When compost is dark and crumbly, mix 1 part compost with 3 parts soil and plant seedlings in that blend for robust growth and better flavor in your vegetables. Pick plants that match the pizza theme and that grow well together, like tomatoes, basil, and peppers. Start seeds indoors under lights for strong seedlings, then harden them off before transplanting. Space plants based on seed packet directions and use cages or stakes for support. Mulch to retain moisture and reduce weeds, and feed with a balanced organic fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks for steady, healthy growth. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides you enjoy. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving for a garden project or a slow weekend of planting. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep a steady watering routine that soaks soil deeply, but allows it to dry slightly between waterings. Monitor plants for pest damage and use hand removal, beer traps, or neem oil for organic control. Improve soil with regular additions of compost and avoid synthetic chemicals that harm beneficial insects. Rotate crops each season to prevent disease buildup, and harvest regularly to encourage continued production and flavor in your veggies and herbs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.